Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to East Prospect, St. Thomas. This beautiful, elegant, spacious 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms house can be that avid investor's dream or home to that family who wants to relax on their porch gazing into the sunset. It has 3 levels. First level has 1 bedroom, kitchen, bath, wash area, and a single car garage. The second level has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living and dining combo, kitchen and laundry room. The third level has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining combo, kitchen and wash area. Both the second and third levels boast beautiful and spacious front and back balconies. The land area is approximately 4,080 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.